What's going on, you guys? I did this video here on how you can cut down your render times using the Nvidia NVENC export plugin. This is a plugin that was made a while ago and then has been updated here and there by different people. Basically, there's a new one that has been made, and it does obviously the Nvidia cards. He has added support for AMD, and he's going to add support for Intel QuickSync. So basically all three are covered with one plugin, and basically what this will do is cut down your render times dramatically. I am not even kidding you, and I'll try and show you an example of how great this is. Okay? So with this video here, I basically showed you how to download it and all that, and that's what I'm going to do with this video. So you're going to go to this link below, and you can post ideas and feedback and stuff like that on the form here. You can also donate to him. If this works for you and it's cutting down your render times and helping your productivity flow, please support and donate to him. I've already sent him some Bitcoin because I love this. It's cutting down my render times even better than what this thing did. Okay, so you could donate through PayPal or through Bitcoin. But anyhow, you're going to come here. You can click the download button. If you click this, it will automatically download the zip. So if you click this, it will open up GitHub. So you're going to download this, okay, which I've already done. As you can see, I got a couple of them right there. So I'll just download it again. Open it. You're going to use WinZip, WinMore, 7-Zip, whatever it may be. Okay, make sure you're on the file because some of these programs will extract everything unless you click on the files that you want to extract. So we're going to extract this. You're going to go to where your Adobe program is installed. For me, it's in C drive, program files, Adobe Premiere. You're going to go down to plugins and common, and you're going to hit OK. It's going to extract it. You would overwrite. Well, you shouldn't have an overwrite. Obviously, if you have this and you're updating, you're going to overwrite it, and then you're done. Okay. I have this open because I'm going to time the render. What you're going to do is you're going to open up Adobe Premiere. As you can see here, I got about what, an 8 minute and 14, yeah, 8 minutes and 14 second video here on my timeline. So I'm just going to export this. It's a gameplay and show you how quick it is with gameplay. Okay. So 8:14. It's actually doing a little more. So give me a minute. Oh, wait. Okay. Well, yeah, that's fine. Okay. So it's going to do the sequence, which is fine. As you can see, it's a gameplay here. Okay. Now, to use this, you're going to hit format and you're going to go down to here. Okay. You'll be on effects here, but you're going to go to video. So you're going to pick one of these. Obviously, I have an Nvidia card. I have the 1070, so I'm going to click here. Okay. You can set the resolution. Obviously, if you do a 720 at 60 frames, your render time is going to be a lot quicker. I do 1080. I do 60 FPS. Okay, you can pick NTSC, obviously, if you're in America. You can do SD or HD. I would advise you just to do HD. This is broken right now. He is going to be fixing this, so checking this or leaving it unchecked won't really do anything. Preset, you can do fast, higher quality, high performance, blah, blah, blah. We'll just do high performance for the video. Actually, we'll leave it on fast for the video. You have profile here, baseline, main, high. If you have a lot of movement and stuff like that, you always want to do high. It will give a better result to your video. And normally I render my videos at 26 megabytes for the bitrate. However, for the sake of the video, and which a lot of people do on YouTube, is about 15 to 18. So we'll set it to 15. Okay. And basically we're done. So I'm going to save this on my C drive and we're going to give this a go. All right, so I'm here on my phone because basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you this without me recording on OBS, how long this actually takes, because with me recording on OBS, there is an impact hit. Obviously, when you're rendering videos, you want to try not to be recording stuff also. So I am going to show you. So I do have everything set up the same, high, fast, all that good stuff. Nothing's really been changed here, okay? So still the same file, and we're gonna export. It's gonna ask if I want to override. I'm gonna hit yes, go back here and start the timer, okay? Again, it's the 8-minute video, as you can see right here with the mouse. Here's the timer, okay? And we're gonna watch how long this actually takes. I may speed up this part after me done talking right here, so you guys could actually see. I'll fast forward it, I won't cut it, but you guys will get an idea of how long this takes, okay? Sorry for all the movement on my phone here. I'm trying to settle my arms. There we go. So 8-minute and 16-second video, and there's 2 minutes left, and we're down to a minute. That's not bad at all. So this 8-minute video more than likely will be done around 2:30, maybe 3 minutes, which may not seem like a big deal, but rendering an 8-minute gameplay that quick is pretty goddamn nice. I'm not gonna lie. You know, it beats some of these render settings where I'm doing 15 megabytes per second. Normally I do about 26. You may or may not see an increase, hopefully, or a decrease. Hopefully you do. But me, I do notice a drastic change. Like Sony Vegas would take long to render videos. I started using Cyberlink because it would render videos quicker, and then I found these plugins that worked in Premiere, which rendered videos so goddamn quick that I can't stop using these. These plugins are great. So we're at 2 minutes here, minute left on the render. So like I said, it should be done around 3 minutes, which is not bad because you're shaving off about 5 minutes. And again, if you tweak the settings a little more, you know, you could get it even faster. So, you know, these are just random settings because I'm still playing with this plugin too. So again, that's all up to you. You got to play around with it and you'll figure out something that will be good for you. Now, after it's done, this render here, okay, so I'll try and show the bottom there. The render window will not go away because what it does is it makes a file. So the file that it makes should not take too long to finish. And once it's done making the file, because that's what it's doing right now, that encoding window will actually go away. There you go. 3 minutes and 18 seconds for an 8-minute and 14-second video. So that's not bad. Again, you shaved off about 5 minutes from the video. Okay, so that's truly not bad. Again, if you tweak these settings, you can end up getting something a lot quicker. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, comment below. The guy who made this, he may end up replying to some comments. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Peace out, and see you in my next one. Peace. Made it to the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget, on the left is a video you may like, and on the right you can check out my last video. Again, thank you for checking out the video. It means a lot. See you on my next one. Peace.